Section 2 Safety 2.0 General Operator and service personnel must be aware of all hazards associated with the equipment. They must know how to recognize and avoid hazards and potentially hazardous conditions. The consequences of unskilled, improper, or careless operation of this equipment can be serious. This equipment must be operated and maintained only by trained personnel authorized by the user to perform their specific functions. Every operator and service person must read and thoroughly understand the operation and maintenance manual and any additional information provided by various semiconductor equipment with respect to the equipment. All danger, warning, and cautionary notice must be carefully read, thoroughly understood, and strictly observed. Users of various semiconductor equipment implanter assume responsibility for implementation of all federal, state, and local safety regulations applicable to their implanter installations. The user is responsible for maintaining correct and safe operating conditions for this equipment at all times. Various semiconductors assume no liability for damage due to improper operation or misuse of the equipment. How implantation utilize and generate flammable, explosive, and corrosive toxic materials. These materials and any components associated with them must be handled and disposed of according to federal, state, and local laws and regulations. Precautions found in this manual are based upon what are considered good industry practice, but may not reflect requirements found in all jurisdictions. Fire emergency. The implanter is equipped with internal fire detection devices. It is recommended that the user establish fire emergency procedures covering internal fire hazards, those arising in the immediate work area or affecting the building. 2.1 Hazard warning. Users of this equipment should be alerted to 3 hazard levels identified by the following handling. Danger hazards. Danger warnings are used when failure to observe instruction or precaution will result in death or injury to humans. Warning hazards. Warnings are used when failure to observe instruction or precautions could result in death or injury to humans. Caution. Cautions are used when failure to observe instruction could result in significant damage to equipment, product, and/or facilities. Specific hazards. are identified by safety pictorial symbols. These symbols are used on the implanter and in this manual. Do not cover, remove, or defect warning attached to the machine. 2.2 Safety Pictorial. The pictorial listed below appearing both the manual and the hazards warning label on the implanter. A general description of the hazards and the precaution accompanies each pictorials shown below. More specific descriptions are provided when the hazards or safety precautions require them. Toxic gas, dust, and harmful fume hazards requires the availability and use of appropriate respirators, so self-contained breathing apparatus at the implanter site and adequate local ventilation per an approved industry health and safety plan.